Did you know the average homeowner right now is sitting on tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars in their home equity currently? And most people have no idea how to actually use it. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what you can do with your home equity and how to make it work for you. It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco. And if you own a home, this might be one of the most important videos you watch all year because your equity is the biggest financial tool. What is equity? Quick breakdown. Your equity is simply the difference between what your home is worth and what you owe on it. So if your home is worth $400,000 and you owe $250,000, you have $150,000 in equity. And over the last few years, a lot of homeowners have built this up without even realizing it. What can you do with it? One of the most common uses is updating or remodeling their home. Think kitchens, bathrooms, finished basements. Things that not only improve your lifestyle, but can also increase your home's value. If you have credit card debt at 18 to 25% interest, using your equity to consolidate that to a lower rate can save you thousands. But this one, you have to be disciplined. Don't rack the cards back up. Buy another property. This is one of my favorites. Using your equity as a tool to invest. You can tap into your equity to purchase a rental property or even help fund a secondary home. This is how a lot of people start building long-term wealth through real estate. Help family or life expenses. I see a lot of this too, helping kids with college, weddings, or even helping them buy their first home. Your equity can be a way to support your family in big ways. Sell and upgrade or downsize. Sometimes the best move is not borrowing against your equity, but using it. Selling your current home and rolling that equity into your next home, whether that's upgrading or downsizing, can completely change your financial picture. Now, quick reality check. Just because you have equity doesn't mean you should use it carelessly. You're putting your home on the line when you borrow against it. So key is making smart, strategic decisions, not emotionally based ones. If you're curious how much equity you have or what the smartest move is for your situation, reach out. I'll help you break down your numbers and create a game plan that actually makes sense for you. Scan the QR code above or send me a message for a free home evaluation. Remember, your home isn't just where you live, it's one of your most powerful financial tools. Let's use it the right way. This is TJ Francisco. Thank you for watching my video.